Hello there, my name's Tracy Elsom and I'm an independent Stampin' Up! Demonstrator based in Canada. Today I have a quick 30-second solution for you, and it's going to be of use if you use one of these kind of scoreboards with a stylus and the grooves. I have this one which I've had for a long time, but I often use my stamping trimmer to do my scoring because I can cut and score at the same time. So with this one it's quite simple. The scoring tool can only go in one direction, up and down. But what I found with this kind of tool, and it drives me nuts, is that when I'm scoring I will find that I'll be scoring and suddenly the stylus will jump and I'll end up scoring in the wrong place, and it just drove me nuts. And it suddenly occurred to me a really simple way to stop that from happening. So what I used to do was put my stylus in the groove that I wanted and then bring my hand back. But what happens is that obviously the stylus can move. So to stop that happening, when you put your stylus in, put your fingers down so that your hand is actually resting on the card. Then when you draw your stylus back, you have a lot more control. So let's do that again. So putting it down, and rather than having it up in the air with just the stylus touching the card, I'm actually resting it, putting my hand down, and then I can score much more easily. Now another quick trick for you is with scoring. I tend to score my entire card piece in one go. So this is a piece of 8.5 by 11 card. I will make 2 card bases from this. So I have scored it once on the short side here at 4 1/4. Then I can simply turn it around, measure it up at 5.5. And I have 2 card bases that I can then fold. I can use my bone folder to press those creases down and sharpen them. So again, I have this piece, it's scored at 4 1/4. Cut it in half, and there we have it. My card bases, nicely scored and nicely folded. Hope that's been useful. Thanks very much for visiting my craft studio today via my YouTube channel, and I hope you've enjoyed that and that it will help you when you're crafting. In the description below I will put some links for this particular card. This is Stampin' Up! Card, very vanilla and whisper white. It's very heavy, much heavier than normal card, and it's absolutely perfect for making card bases. And this is my bone folder. It's actually been laser engraved, but that's my bone folder, also from Stampin' Up!, and it's a really good weight, and I wouldn't be without that when I'm stamping. So if you live in Canada, you'll be able to buy these products through my online store on my website, and you'll find that at tracyelsom.stampinup.net. I hope to speak to you again soon. Thanks very much for watching. Bye.